Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Chevrolet Spark AC filter. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small vacuum cleaner with an attachment, and a soft brush. Having a new cabin air filter on hand is also wise, in case yours is too dirty to clean. These items will help you achieve a fresh, clean air system. Now, let's locate your filter. Open your Chevrolet Spark's glove compartment all the way down. You might need to press in on the sides to release it. Behind it, you will see a rectangular housing. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small clips holding the cover in place. Unclip these, then carefully slide out the old filter. Note its orientation for reinstallation. With the filter removed, it's time to clean. Use your vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently remove loose dust and debris from the filter pleats. For any stubborn dirt, a soft brush can help. If the filter is heavily soiled or damaged, consider replacing it with a new one. Once clean, slide the filter back into its housing, making sure the airflow arrow points correctly, then reattach the cover and close the glove compartment. To keep your Spark's air fresh, check your cabin air filter every 6 months or after 10,000 miles, especially if you drive in dusty conditions. Regular maintenance prevents allergens and pollutants from entering your car's cabin, improving air quality and the efficiency of your air conditioning system. A clean filter also helps maintain proper airflow. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Keep your car's air clean and enjoy your drives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.